Hey everybody, it is Matthew of Mr. Domestic, where we spread joy and positivity through sewing and fabric play, and I am so excited that my Aura lookbook is here. I've been waiting all day to look at it, and I haven't even sneak peeked it like too many times because I wanted to share it with y'all. So this is gonna be my first time seeing my Aura lookbook, and I'm not gonna be able to walk through all of it for time and stuff, but I at least want to share like everyone else's projects and stuff. And the cover, okay, like for real, this free pattern is called Ambience, and it's amazing, and I've made it and I loved it, and it's like I'm like stoked. This is my favorite quilt I've ever made. I just love it. It encapsulates the entire memory of what this collection is about, like flowing from the sunrise to the sunset. It's just like bomb diggity. So hopefully y'all like it, and some of y'all make it because it's rad. And there's a cool interview in here, and one of the questions was like really funny. I was like, what? They asked me if Aura could be a person, who would Aura be? And I was like, nobody at first, because it's like really cool and chill and like stylish, and no one's really like that. And then Lenny Kravitz popped up into my head, so I was like, Lenny Kravitz. But really, I think it's more Lisa Bonet, or like Lisa Bonet and Lenny Kravitz when they were together. Like, yeah, that's what Aura is all about. Oh, this Table Runner by Carrie. Oh, it is stunning. It got 2 pages. Like, oh, I love this so much. Thank you, Carrie, for making this. And I love all of the graphic design around it. This looks amazing. Like, I've made a quick sparkler and it's super duper fun to make, so check it out. There is my quilt again, and then yay! My zipper pouches. I haven't shown you all my zipper pouches yet that I made with Aura, but those are in my lookbook. And then like my bombastic purple row bowl, totally in there. Both of those I have a YouTube video if you haven't seen it. Oh. Okay, because I haven't dabbled with the apparel fabrics yet, so like this is amazing seeing this skirt. And yeah, that print is amazing. Like I literally just got chills seeing this in a skirt and on someone. Fantastic. And then, oh! I saw these like just a little bit because Saray, she sent me a picture of this. I think it's a clutch wallet that she made. Oh, I really like this Saray. It's gorgeous and it's totally adorable. Like I gave her a compliment, and Saray, like, don't be mad that I'm gonna share this story, but I was like, you're like super duper talented, and if you don't know her, she's so insanely talented. And she was like, I was just following a pattern. And I was like, no, you were not just following a pattern. Like the way you construct stuff and the way you make stuff is phenomenal. It's not just following a pattern. It's like A+ like work. So definitely check her out. Ah! This is, I'm kind of jelly of this shirt because it's amazing and I want one like this. So yeah, I'm looking really, can you see my face? I'm like real up close in it. Oh, I wouldn't have thought to make a shirt like a man shirt, and I know that I try to like stay away from like thinking things are gendered, but still it's like there's an aesthetic that's masculine and one that's feminine, and I tend to veer more towards masculine for myself, but I was wrong with this print. This print is like pretty awesome, and I now want to make a shirt with this coloration. I was going to do the other coloration, but I really want to do this coloration. And then there's my wig snatched, jaw on floor. Where is this? Where is this? Like seriously, okay, like this, oh, I just made a mess. But this print and this colorway, like it's rayon, it's amazing. Seeing it in a dress, I'm freaking out. Like I'm totally gonna make myself a kimono out of this print, and I don't care what people say, I'm gonna work it all around. But this dress is phenomenal, y'all. Oh, my bag. I made a tote. Early on, it was my very first project. And then my friend, she's one of my best friends, her name's Tara Curtis, if you don't know her, of Wefty Needle. She made this amazing messenger bag, and I'm jelly of this one too because it's spectacular. Spectacular. And one of the prints is inspired by a triaxial weave, which is a weave when you have like strips going in 3 different ways, and she used that print and did a triaxial weave with it, and I was like, wow, it looks like the stars twinkle twinkle. Oh, oh, yay! And I am next to the Brimfield girls. I made a jelly roll rug using Aura, and I've given away a couple jelly rolls. I love giving stuff away, but it is right next to the Brimfield girls. Nisha and Kim made this spectacular like Brimfield Meadows quilt, and like look up really close. I'll even zoom in right here, like the binding and it not being like squared up, like magnifique, girls, magnifique. I'm so impressed by it. Oh, okay, so now I'm totally jealous of this kids' outfits because I want them all. Look at this shirt. I'm totally making myself a turtle shirt, and so he looks like a little too small for me, so I can't like steal it from him. But oh, yay! Okay, so there's my kaleidoscope. Not my kaleidoscope. What's it called? I always forget things. It's just gonna get worse the older I get, folks. My houndstooth quilt. Yay! But this finial quilt by Laura Piland of Slice of Pie Quilts, like insane. Like I was blown away by her quilts from my last collection, blown away by this collection. She is definitely, in my opinion, one to watch because everything she does is like top notch and her photography is top notch, and I'm just really honored that she made another quilt for this lookbook. Then there are my quilt, and there's my lunchbox that's in there. Oh, darling. Oh, I love this. Violet Fields threads made by Chelsea. Chelsea, this is spectacular. This dress is using 2 different substrates in a dress, like amazing. So it's the knit on the top and one of the prints on the bottom, and then the way she did the ruffles on the leggings. Like this is like spectacular. And then Isabelle Selak. She's adorable. Like, I think that she is one of the most innovative makers out there. She's always willing to push herself like beyond what she thinks she can do. And I think that's how I roll, because I like to see if I can do something and then figure out how to do it. And she wanted to make a pieced knit quilt, and she did a half square triangle quilt, and she wasn't sure if it was worthy of being in my lookbook, and whenever she sent me the picture, I was like, yeah, this has to be in there. It's fantastic. This is knit jersey, folks. Amazing. That's how I feel about that. And then my pumpkins. Oh, my ornaments. Yeah, my ornaments made it in there. So I made a couple ornaments, and there's free tutorials on my YouTube channel, so seek those out. Then there's some blocks, and then this is the free block. It's called Moving Forward block, and Melly makes the blocks for each collection. She works at Art Gallery Fabrics. Super duper talented. She's in all of their videos. If y'all don't subscribe to Art Gallery Fabrics, you should, because Melly is fantastic. Lots of great tutorials over there. But this is the free block, and I am obsessed with the color flow in this block, and it's amazing. And these are my fabrics, and that's the end, and this is where you can find it. And like, you guys, this is my second collection. Like, I'm so honored by all of the people that rallied around to make this happen so quickly and that like made projects for me. This collection is special. It is a memory. This is a memory that Helena and I had that was like special, that I was able to turn into fabric for all of y'all to play with, and it's always going to be special. I don't know what's going to happen other than I know my third collection, and it's going to be amazing, but I'm not going to talk about it now. But this one will always hold a place in my heart because of what that special memory was for Helena and me, and I can't wait to see what all of you do with that memory in fabric form. And thank you for coming along my journey as a fabric designer and all of my wacky projects and weird way of speaking. I am so honored that you all are along with me on this journey. So keep it positive, y'all. Mr. Domestic out.